Hey lovelies, so I just got back from work and I told myself that I would dye my hair. I've been saying for a very long time and I haven't done it. I've been saying for like years now and I haven't done it. So today I'm taking a bold step. I'm going to be showing you what I'll be using to dye my hair. I'm not a professional, just know that, but then I want to try something new. I want to try something new. And I chose ginger color. I want to dye my hair copper and ginger. The things I ordered for my hair. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I ordered. At first I just thought you just getting dye and applying the dye in your hair and to just work magic. Then I said here you need to bleach your hair. And I'm like, no, I'm scared of bleach. I don't want to bleach my hair. So I saw something on YouTube. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos. My god, yeah, I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos and I saw that you can use a developer instead of a bleach. So yeah, this is the developer I got, volume 40 oxidant cream, facial professional developer. This is a developer. I got 3 of this, 3 of copper highlights, because this hair you're seeing can be funny sometimes. It looks small now, but in my 2 or 1 might not just be enough. So I got 3 copper sorry, it's upside down. L'Oreal, yeah, highlights. Can you see it? Yeah, L'Oreal highlights. I got the copper. So I've been seeing a lot of people using this. 3 of this, 1 of this. Then I also got the Adore cinnamon. I got the Adore cinnamon hair dye. Yeah, Adore cinnamon hair dye. Then I got the ginger hair dye, Adore ginger color 30. So I don't know, but then the idea is that I'm going to mix the Adore and the ginger, and I'm sure I'm going to miss everything. So put me in your prayers because I haven't tried this before. I'm not a professional, but I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos and they're encouraging me to do this. So I want to do it. I just want something different. I want a different look. So that's why I'm trying all this. So let's go and take off my fine shirt because I don't want to ruin this. So I'll take off my shirt and we'll get to work. See ya. I also got the gloves. Yeah, I got the gloves. These are the gloves I'm going to be using for this. I got my receipts. And I had to get these things like twice. The first time I got just this and this because I was thinking it was just dye you needed to dye your hair. Yeah, so I got just this and this. Then I started watching videos on how to dye your hair, so I had to order this and these 3. Yeah, so 3 high color highlights, a developer, cinnamon and ginger Adore dye. Yes, so these are the things I'm going to be using. Let's get to it. So here I mixed the developer and the highlights. That's me pouring in developer and mixing everything together to create a consistent paste. Yeah, so the highlights and the developer, that's just the only thing I mixed here. I parted my hair into 4 sections so it will be easy to apply the dye properly. So I parted the hair into 4 sections here for easy application of the dye. Got my gloves back on, so work starts now. That beans on fire. So it was time to apply the dye, so I parted my hair and I started passing the dye through my hair. And after that, look guys, I've not washed it all, so I want to go wash it. After washing it, let's see what it looks like after washing it. What do you think? Just finished washing the hair and
1, 2, ready, go. This is what I look like. It was funny. It wasn't what I was expecting, but then I needed to use the Adore cinnamon dye to like tone it down. It was too red for me, so I used the Adore cinnamon dye to tone it down. So after allowing air like to dry the hair a little bit, I decided to apply the Adore cinnamon dye because this color was too bright. It was so bright for me, so I decided to tone it down by applying the Adore cinnamon dye. After making sure the dye is everywhere in my hair, I decided to comb through to make everything go down into the hair. So I combed the whole hair. This part was like a struggle because I didn't tangle my hair before dyeing, but then I had to comb every single thing to make sure that the dye goes through every corner and area of my hair. After that, I covered and allowed it stay for like 30 minutes. Then it was time to check what it looks like, and this is what my hair looks like. And I think I like it now. It looks way better than it was in the first place. So I used the L'Oreal highlights, the developer, and now the Adore cinnamon hair dye. And this is me the next day.
This is me the next day after dyeing my hair. So this is what my hair looks like. I look beautiful. See, no, this color suits me. I like it, and my husband loves it. And he was like, "Oh my god, my baby!" So I'll be showing this off today. Yeah, I don't know what color this is. I need to go outside first to see what color, but then I love it. So I'm outside and I like my hair. I like this hair. I like this color.